Hey, what's going on, my friend? This is RJ here. Guys, welcome to my channel, Make Money Online with RJ. So, today I'm going to show you guys how to make channel art. You know, for a YouTube channel if somebody is making new, because I am trying to document my journey also, and whatever I'm learning, I try to teach you guys, same things. So, I'm going to make you channel art. So let me jump in and I'll show you guys how to create simple and easy channel art. Okay, all right. All right, so we are here. We'll go for Google and look for the canva.com. Once you signed up, I'm not going for that because it's simple process to sign up. All right, and if you don't know how to sign up, just reach me out. Maybe I will help out for how to sign up. All right, guys. So you can see that again here. You can see that photos icon, print products, apps, and everything is there, in the templates. You can look for that. So what we are going to do, that we are going to do that YouTube channels art. So I will click it here, you know and then one page is gonna open. All right, like that. So my channel art looks like that. You can see that Make Money Online with RJ, so my channel is look like that. And then once you go to just look like that. So yeah, once you can choose whatever you like, you can choose whatever you like. I mean literally anything you choose, and then some of the things are paid, like suppose that I'm choosing this one. Let's see. All right, so you can literally change the background and everything. You can do that. you know you can literally change the background, everything. You can change it from here. So what I gonna do, I will the game things, whatever you have themes, you can do that. But I'm going to see Make Money Online with RJ. Right, looks good. All right, and if you want to change color, any you can change any color, like a red or blue or green, whatever colors it suits you. You literally just click it here and move it ups and downs, and it will show which color looks good. So this color looks good, or like something like that. you know so those is like attractive if you want to make a simple. If not, then you can choose the text color is like a something like that. I made this one, like a Make Money Online with RJ, like that. If you want to do that, you can choose this one, you know and then it will write it like that. So if you want to, all right, so this one is like a literally you just drag and drop and write it. Something is like a Make Money Online, so let me see. Money Online with RJ. Look at this, and then literally just make it smaller here, so you can literally just, it's all depend upon you what size you want. And you know so it's all depend on you. So you can see that, just drag it like a little bit smaller, or whatever size you want. You can literally type it here, and what size you want, like a 10. Okay, let's see. Wow, it's gone. So it's like 80. 80, you can keep it that. I will just remove this one, delete it, and I will keep this one somewhere here. All right, And after that, literally the file and everything is same, like you don't have to touch it anything. You can see that this is like the the YouTube. They will ask you this size, that's how they're gonna put it. So you can, this one you can do a little bit bigger, yeah. And after that, what you want to do, put your pictures. So I have already pictures, and I have already pictures here, so literally you can just bring it and keep it here. So it's like just drag it, a little bit smaller than the sides, or whatever you guys like to do that. All right, so yeah, and if you want to do pictures a little bit smaller, just too smaller, and there you go. All right, make money online with RJ. Or anything elements you want to add, like I add the unicorn. Let's see, unicorn. See, I add it in the back there, so you'll see that. Here you go, in the white unicorn. If you want to add it here, you just literally add there. All right, looks good, right? So all right, it's ready, and just do that a little bit like that and fix it according to your things. And now this things is good, and then you have to look for that on the YouTubes. I have the different channels, so let me switch to my channel and I will show you how to fix it. So your channel, this is my channel, okay. All right, Mr. RJ. Switch accounts, okay. So I have this one, maybe I will select this one, okay. So I will try to put it here, and oh no, I switched. Why? I switched it here, and all right. So I don't know why it's taking time. It's a little bit slow. I'm sorry that. So if you guys like my videos, please hit the like buttons. I don't know, but you will see that you just have to go through these things. What is that called? The make it your new channel. When once you make it the channel, you will see that, and then you can literally change it. So yeah, just make this one, okay. Download it from here. Just this is the PNG. Just download it here, and go to the YouTube. You can literally download it from here, okay. Download it and it will go there. And then what you have to do, right, so you have to go YouTube, and then where's that? It's going so slow, I don't know why, but again I have to open the YouTubes. So yeah, let's see. So what you have to do, you have to just go to the YouTube studio, like once you open your new account, so it's easy to open the account. And once you open your accounts, so you'll see that here, once you click it here, so what is that here, you'll see the YouTube studio. And I don't know why it's taking so yeah, YouTube studio, you go there, go there, and then it will come, the option, it will come how to change it, so oh, my internet is like so slow today. I don't know what's happening here. It's taking a lot of time. I'm really sorry for that. And then you'll see the channel dashboard. Here you go. And then what you have to do, just on this side customization, just go to the customizations. Okay. And you'll see that mm, you'll see that the uh, I mean, I made this videos, the relaxing music, because a lot, when I started with the relaxing music, a lot of people, they said that it's like people, they were making a lot of money, so that's why I did that. But it's really slow. What's going on? So customization, I put it here. I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, so once you go to the customizations, you can literally customize, and it will show you the banner, and then banner, and then your channel art, and then you can see that a lot of things there. So yeah, come on. This is the internet of Xfinity, and here in United States, I don't know, I can't believe that. So you'll go to the branding here. Once you go to the branding, um well, I don't know what's going on here. So it's really slow, man. Wow, it's really slow. Sorry about that, guys. So it was so slow. And then you can see that branding. After that, you can change your picture or upload the pictures. So you just click it here, you have to upload it. Okay. And then whatever video you download it, whatever your videos, sorry, the pictures you download it, I mean, I was making this one, right? So I let me download this one. So after it's download, it will, just you have to readjust a little bit. It takes a little bit time, but it's really good. So that's this things is all right. So upload here. Okay. And then what, I downloaded this one, right? So I downloaded this one, and it's saying that try to be a 6 MB or smaller. Okay. So it's like you can change this background, maybe by some, most of the time you are, if you change the background to the simple way, they let you to do that, or like a really simple way. Anything is like a simple way. So like a simple way. So let me see which one looks good. I mean, anything. So maybe this one, something simple, I will find it, and then what, I will download it again. And then you can see the size also. Literally you can see the size, what is size there, and then you'll post it. So let me see what's going on here. Again, uploads, and let's see. All right, so you have to a little bit, adjust it. This one, it's like your, on the TV it will look like that, and the desktop it will look like that, and we will all the device look like that. So I will take it the all the device. I just need all the device. So sometimes you have to move little bit, and then just a little bit, so you can figure out something, and then just a little bit, or like you have to change little bit in the there. So okay, so what we have to do here, if you'll stuck here, what you have to do, just go to the same thing, and move this picture a little bit this side, this icon a little bit this side, and then just squeeze it a little bit. Okay. Sometimes you have to adjust it. It will not come in the first time, then you have to adjust it. All right, or like a little bit smaller, you can put it a little bit smaller. I mean, this is what happening with me. Maybe you know something other way, and then you can do a little bit here, here, smaller. Okay. All right, let me download this one and then let's see how it's gonna work. I'm sorry it's taking long time because of like the process, but this is how you're gonna do that. It's just like I'm showing you guys tips and tricks how to do that. All right, so cancel it and then we will upload it another one. So YouTube has like they need a size and MB and everything, instead of spending some money. If you have really money to spend, just go ahead and go to the fiverr.com and then spend some money. People, they are there to help you. So this is the perfect size for me. I like it. Okay, just what I have to do. If you want to the unicorn or something, if you want to move a little bit, you can move it. So it's like a little bit. If you want to move, you can move ups and downs, but I like it a little bit. So this looks good. Okay, once you click it, hit done. Okay, and you will see that the difference. Okay, so all right, and then you what you have to do, the publish. Once you publish it, you will see that how it's look like that. All right, so go to the channel, just we will go to the channel here and then we will see that how it's look like that. All right, all right, look at this. So it looks good, it's free. So what you need, just you make it this one, and then just do it, do it yourself. So that's it, guys. If you guys need more help, comment down below. I will try to help you guys, and reach me out on the Facebook or on TikTok or in the Instagram, you know or I will try to help out. But this is what how it look like. You can like these things, you can a little bit put down. So next time once you click it, this thing, it will be here. So this way it looks good, it's good to go, and yeah, just like and subscribe my channel, and many more videos coming soon. Okay, all right, bye for now, guys. Bye.